Hi everybody. So this is the lab we're going to do today. It's called the Adaptations of a Hand Lab. So we're going to look at how our hand, the human hand, has evolved this opposable thumb here and how it's helped us do many common activities. So you can either watch the video at home or you can try and do the steps at home. So some of the things you need, I'm going to show you real quick. You need a piece of paper, plain piece of paper, like 8.5 by 11. You need some masking tape, a pair of scissors, a bottle with a top like this, and some string, and obviously a pair of shoes that you can tie on and off, okay? And then you're gonna need this data sheet here to record your data. So you're gonna do a couple different activities as the procedure says, okay? You're gonna do each of these activities and you're gonna have a partner time how long it takes you to do each one of them and record it. And you're gonna tie a knot in a piece of string, remove your shoe and replace it. That means take it off by untying it and then retying it, so don't cheat. Unscrewing a bottle cap or a jar, if you have like a jar of something, that's cool too. Write your name on a piece of paper. That is your full name, first and last name. And then cut a piece of paper in half the short way, okay? You're gonna do that first with your thumbs free, right? You're able to move, so make sure both of your hands have your thumbs free, and then do the same set of activities with your both hands taped, okay? And then you'll see, if you scroll down a little further, you will see a data table like this. So at the end of each activity, I will share my data of what I'm doing, thumbs free and thumbs taped. Okay, so great. All right, watch your finger. Okay. All right, so the first task we're gonna do is tie a knot in a string. Okay, so I have some string here. And got some string here, got a timer, okay? And literally all I'm gonna do is start and stop, and maybe I should learn how to tie a string better. Literally, come on, Nicole. Done, okay? So that took me 7 seconds. And when we're done with all this, I will share the data. Okay, the next task is to take my shoe off and on and retie it, okay? So I'm gonna get my pants out the way. Okay, I'm really competitive here. Okay, go. Off and on. The tying thing is a big deal. And single tie. Okay, stop. All right, so don't cheat and use shoes that don't have to tie. Okay, that took me 13 seconds, so I got a bottle of water here. Okay, brand new bottle of water. Okay, and stop, 5 seconds. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is write my name on a piece of paper, first and last name, with my thumbs, and stop. And when you record your times, you're going to record your times to the nearest whole number. So round to the nearest whole number. Okay. The next task, the last task, is going to be cutting a piece of paper short ways. Okay. Okay. Cool. So 5 seconds. Okay. Stop the video. I'm back. You can see my hands are taped. No use of my thumbs. Okay. My thumb on both my left and my right hand is fully taped, so I cannot use my thumb. I'm going to do the same tasks again without my thumbs. So first one is tying a string. Okay. So I've done this quite a bit, so I have adapted to doing that. So, okay, without my thumbs, it took 9 seconds. Cool. Next task is going to be removing and replacing my shoe. Okay, a little harder. First off, I gotta stand up. Okay, so same shoe as last time. Ready, and here I go. Okay, remember to take your shoe all the way off and then put it all the way back on and tie it the way it was before. Okay, don't use a pair of shoes that doesn't really tie. That's kind of cheating. And if you use a different shoe than the first time, you're cheating yourself. Okay, cool. This is a hard one. Okay, and done. All right. Okay. Now, next one is going to be the bottle. So, same bottle as before. Way harder. Okay. Now I'm going to grab my pen. I'm going to write my name just like last time. First and last name. Okay. Oh, this is going to be really hard. I don't know what it's going to look like, but hey, we're going to try. Goes back to middle school or elementary school when you wrote your name. All right. And finally, cut a piece of paper short ways. All right, so, oh, these scissors. So you can see if you do this at home, you're gonna be able to use your other fingers. Okay. So here's what our data looks like after the 2 trials. So thumbs free is on your left. Okay. You can see 7 seconds tying a knot in string, 9 seconds with your thumbs taped. Removing and replacing the shoe, 13 seconds with my thumbs and 45 seconds with my thumbs taped. I really love my thumbs. Unscrewing a jar, 5 seconds with my thumb, 14 seconds without. Writing your name on a piece of paper, 6 seconds with my thumb, 8 seconds without. And cutting a piece of paper, the scissors are really hard without your thumb. So let's make sure you get this data and then we will talk about it together as a class.